So, our content for today is abbreviation of Philippine government. And then, so we have Sudsub here. Onya ang mapildi. So, like, pariyaga po ang ana. So, ang mapildi. So, everything is good. Okay. First, makita ni Axel ba yan? Sige. First. Sige. First, BFP.
Bureau of Fire Protection.
Correct. Wala siya. Oh, trial. That's not cheating. Ano pa na siya? Trial and error. Okay. Okay, next question. BIR. Wait! Pumapindot na eh! BIR. Anong magbayad ka buwis?
Bureau of Industrial Resources.
Wrong! That's not bad. Okay, pag dili na kaya mo, ano ang magpasa para ko BIR. Oo, hindi na ka magulo og buwis. Ana, BIR. Oh my God.
Bureau of Industrial.
Wrong. Oh, dili na. Oh. Kung dili na kaya, instead pass na lang. Bureau of Internal Revenue. Oh my God! Oh, syempre! Ayun, sa naghanan mo. Ay, mahurot na. Okay. Axel, di ka makita, Axel. Kaya ka na, go. Okay, next question. Okay na. COA. COA. C-O-A. Yeah, COA. Wrong! Naanatay bagay! Correct na commission on! No! Correct na commission on! Parang...
Commission of Authority.
Wrong! Katong sa confidential fund, makunin sila ang muan. Kumakunin siya ang review sa kwarta. Wrong!
Commission.
Go there. Wrong! No!
Commission.
Confidential funds? Let go! COA. COA.
Administration.
Wrong!
Commission of Authority.
Wrong! Sige, umuna rin yun. Kilab-kilab din. Makaitsip.
Commission on Audit.
Correct! Di na ito giulit ang confidential funds. Kasi ayos man ang Audi Carabao. Kene! LGU.
Local Government Unit.
Correct! Go!
FMBA.
Metro Manila Department Authority.
Wrong! Metro Manila MMDA Department Metro Manila Development Authority. Yeah! Porque ang mamuni bay.
Ay,
Huwag ka nag-change naman. Yeah.
NCR.
National Capital Region.
Oh my God!
Department of Education.
Lago!
ESTA.
Technical Educational Skills and Development Authority.
Correct! Oh my God! Oh, wait lang!
DOL.
Dali!
Ha?
DOH.
Oh, Department of Health! Ako na! Wait, ako na! Alam mo ko, Department of Health! Ha? DOH!
DOH man.
Oh, Drug Administration! Administration man, correct ako ba yun? Ayun, day! Ay!
World Health Organization.
Christine, you know?
DOL.
Ay! Wala
Ayaw. Wala ikaw,
Dali.
Department of Labor and Employment.
Correct.
Hindi.
Wala, kinang na ko.
Sa link today.
PRC.
Oh.
Philippine Regional Congress.
Oh, wrong. Kanang sa kuan mo na kanang mag-exam ka. Wait lang. PRC? Oh, PRC? Professional! Regulate! Ay, ako naman! Wapa ganyan! Professional!
Oh, wala. Oh.
Regulatory Commission!
Personal Regional
No!
Professional Regional Course.
PRC! Professional Register... Professional Regulatory...
Professional Regulation Course.
No!
Ay, of course.
Ay! Professional Regulation Commission! Oh, mami, guy! Like, init tayo na eh! Ay, paano sa na-click? Sino? Electric pan? Ay, ahak. Laban na tayo yun, ha?
Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources.
BFAR! That's BFAR!
Napupor.
Ay! Oh! No, ikaw! Wait lang! Napuko... That's kuryente eh. Lang. Kuryente na, dahil! Napuko...
National Polytechnic Corporation.
No. National... Napuko, no? National... National Political Corporation! National
National Power Corporation.
Yawa ka! Wait lang.
Department of Public Works and Highways. Inundoy. Light.
Ayun! Oh.
Light Rail Office.
Wrong! LTO, di ba? Sakyan, license. Ay, ano? LTO? License Politician Office! Ay, no! Layo! Go!
Wala is guy.
Makita na eh.
Pag-asa.
Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical Astronomical Services Administration.
Wait lang.
Except, ay, mas waki na di ka makatuwag na eh. Ay? Nagbaso na lang tayo, di ba ka ba?
Basta ang mga pinakazugod.
PHNOLCS.
PBOX,
Oh, people.
Philippine Volcanology and Seismology. Philippine.
Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology.
Yawa ako, wag!
Kaya.
Naiya!
Nilagay mo National Airport. Saan ba? Pero mo saan na ba yun? National Telecommunication Office.
Dili.
National Telecommunication
Authority.
Commission. Telecommunication Commission.
It's a... Ano kayo?
Boys, go to the
Wrong! BSP! Bank of the Philippines! BSP! Central Philippines! Bank of the Central Philippines! Bangko Central Philippines! Bangko Central Philippines! I-English na ito tayo. Bank Central of the Philippines. Oh, Bangko Central ng Pilipinas. Ano? Ay! Ay! Gapa! Ay! Ako na nauna dyan! Di ba yun ang tourism? Ay!
National Statistic Office.
It's a... Wait!
Inunday.
Wait lang. Ako pa. Sige.
Sino?
Oh!
Philippine Statistics Authority. Correct naman. Philippine Statistics Authority. Ingon tayo. Dago na tayo.
Kanang, usa na! Kanang, wait lang! What? Kanang, palit bitaw ka? Kanya, may anak. Wait lang.
Binyo.
Pero, uy, what, man? What? Oo. V8.
V8.
Kano lang yung may bat, gani. Wait lang. Okay, pass! Oh. Go next.
Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Ang sumunod eh.
DFA.
Department of Food Authority.
Go! Department of Foreign Affairs. Mute, mute. Dahil ba ang video na yung masigma?
AFP. Gin.
Okay, di na eh.
Ayan na.
Ako, loading ka. 5. AFP? Look. Go back.
Department of Justice.
It's set. Marina? Maritime.
Maritime National Authority.
Go! Sige. Ha? Ha? Oo, nagpalit mo ko for the vlog. Marina, di ba? Ay, okay. Maritime Industry Incorporated. Ay, Marina Industry Authority. Ay! Inungay! Ay, kulang na rin. Ay! Wrong. Oh. National Bureau of Investigation. PDEA na tayo. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. PDEA na tayo for the drugs. Philippine National Police. Inugay! May ayaw ko dito na eh.
Department of Environment Natural Resources. Mute.
Wait lang. Ay, di na subuda dahil ka. Wala pa naman kumanda eh. NDIRMC. National Department of... Wrong ang maliit! Office!
National Disaster and Risk Reduction.
Oh, wala! National Department! Dilagay ng department? National
National Disaster and Risk Reduction Management. Corporation.
Corporate! National
Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Commission.
No! Commission and Audit! National Disaster
and Risk Reduction Management Corporation.
No, dili dyan eh. Pass! So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.